Login is successful. Now it's time for the real work. The time has come to create your personalized roadmap. The dashboard is absolutely simple. You can easily navigate it yourself. But before creating the roadmap, click on the Roadmap option at the top. After that, select Start from Scratch to build it completely from the beginning. Next, you will need to state which skill you want to learn and how you prefer to learn it. The more details you provide in your answer, the more personalized the roadmap will be for you. The great thing is, the roadmap is not just limited to English. You can create it in your native language as well. Write down everything in detail, just like you would with any other AI chatbot. After this, you will be asked a few questions. The more accurately you answer, the more customized the roadmap will be for you. Once you have answered all the questions, click on the Generate Roadmap button. Within just a few moments, your roadmap will be completely ready.